Have you ever felt stuck and unable to find the motivation and creativity to achieve success? The good news is that success is within your reach, and it starts with understanding the science of creation and applying it to your daily life. In this video, we'll explore 5 steps to unlocking your potential and achieving success. We'll look at how to harness quantum reality to become empowered and abundant, take control of your personal reality, reprogram your mind, and deprogram and reprogram to create a pathway to empowerment. With these steps, you'll be able to find motivation, increase productivity, and unlock your creativity to achieve the success you desire. The first step to achieving success is to harness quantum reality. Quantum reality is based on the belief that our universe is composed of underlying fields and energy networks that are constantly responding to our intentions. When we focus our energy and intention on what we want to create, our reality often shifts to match those intentions. Unlocking your potential. Steps to success. Success is something that we all strive for, but it can be elusive. It's not easy to find our way to the top, and in order to do so, we need to practice and gather information. This process may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset and a little bit of effort, success is within reach. The first step in reaching our potential is developing a mindset that allows opportunity and synchronicity to flow into our lives. Overcoming mental blocks such as doubting ourselves and feeling overwhelmed are essential for success. By becoming more aware of what's happening around us, and by taking the initiative in unknown situations, we can unlock doors that we never thought were possible. Creating an environment where one feels safe to grow is also important for self-exploration. Taking the time each day to reflect on what happened during the past 24 hours helps us understand where we are currently at, as well as where we want to be. This self-awareness helps us become more empowered when working together towards a common goal, whether it's completing a project or achieving our personal goals. Gathering information is the next logical step for those seeking success. Doing research, connecting with mentors, and reading about the successes and failures of others helps us gain a better understanding of our chosen fields of interest. Additionally, talking to professionals in the same area can help us gain insight about the industry, giving us a better chance of understanding our place in it. Taking proactive steps and actively pushing ourselves is the final key to success. By challenging ourselves and pushing through our insecurities, we build our confidence and gain the skills that will be essential for achieving our goals. It's important to remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and effort. A collective energy shift helps all members become more aware of their power within themselves when they work together towards a common goal. In other words, success isn't just about you. It's about everyone working together towards a common goal. Harnessing quantum reality to feel empowered and abundant. Emotions are powerful. The stronger they are, the more energy and power we give away. This is why it's so important to attend to our emotions, not just tolerate them, but actually understand and feel them deeply. At Uplift Your Beliefs, we believe, by learning to lower the volume of our emotions and break energetic bonds with others, we can recharge our own energy. This isn't just a personal task. It's also important for the health of our community and society as a whole. When we're emotionally balanced and connected, we're more likely to make positive contributions in our communities. Quantum reality provides us with a greater understanding of the power of emotion and energy. We can use this understanding to cultivate harmony within and between people and create a deep healing energy field that amplifies and reinforces positive intentions. By drawing upon our natural, innate power and living in harmony with the laws of quantum reality, we can tap into an infinite store of potential and feel empowered and abundant. Let us lean into a life of awareness where our emotions and energies are respected, nourished, and transformed. Together, we can create a world full of beauty, abundance, and love. Creating in the generous present moment allows us to access potential stored within quantum fields, no longer needing to go anywhere else for it. This is why mental rehearsal technique is so powerful. By practicing it often, we can turn past experiences into a map for the future, priming ourselves for what will happen without having to experience it firsthand. Traffic jams provide an opportunity to open our hearts and mentally rehearse future events with eyes wide open, so that they become a reality faster than predicted by Newtonian physics models of cause and effect, waiting on something outside of ourselves to change how we feel internally first. By acting like a happy person, beginning with how we think about traffic jams, we can begin attaining feelings of abundance, empowerment, love, and wholeness, even in difficult circumstances. Taking control of your personal reality. Many people live their lives as victims, with little control over their own personal reality. This is a limiting way to live, and it's time to break out of this cycle. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, we can disconnect from the outer environment and focus on being in the present moment. This will help us to become more aware of our thoughts and feelings, and to understand that our emotions are often determined by external factors such as people, places, or experiences. By becoming more aware of our thoughts and emotions, we can start to take control of our personal reality. We can choose not to be defined by past memories, but instead strive for a vision of the future that's motivated by our own desires and passions. This is what will truly propel your success. This shift in mindset is not just beneficial for when we're stuck in traffic, but also applies to all aspects of life. When we take ownership of our personal reality, we can begin to break out of our traditional ways of thinking and take action towards achieving our goals. Rewiring the mind through metacognition and meditation. What would your life be like if you weren't constantly bombarded with thoughts, emotions, and behaviors? It's difficult to imagine a life without them, but it's possible. Through meditation and metacognition, we can become more aware of our unconscious states and learn how to control them. This way, we can move forward in our lives and create lasting change. Being conscious of our thoughts, behaviors, and emotions is essential to creating change. However, it's often difficult to be aware of these states because they are unconscious. Meditation allows us to become familiar with these states so that we are more aware when our old programs attempt to take control again. In meditation, we can observe our thought patterns objectively and gain greater clarity on where we may need to make changes or changes have already been made. It's also important for transformation to happen gradually instead of suddenly. This is why regular meditative practices help condition the mind-body system into permanently adjusting itself into new states rather than temporarily experienced through surface-level habits such as self-help books or short retreats. Deprogramming and reprogramming. A pathway to empowerment. There's something about the act of deprogramming and reprogramming that feels empowering. It's an action that involves 2 steps, and in both steps, it is important to remove beliefs, habits, and behaviors which are no longer desired or beneficial in the person's life. The first step of deprogramming consists of eliminating beliefs, habits, and behaviors which are no longer desired or beneficial. This can be a difficult task, but by doing so, you free yourself from limiting thoughts that have been holding you back from achieving your goals or manifesting your desires into reality. The second step of deprogramming and reprogramming is where the magic happens. By replacing these toxic thoughts with positive resources such as visualizations, affirmations, and new ways of thinking, you help to shift focus towards achievable objectives you wish to accomplish in life. This process assists individuals in making smarter choices and creating healthier lifestyles for themselves. Additionally, it helps to combat difficult emotions, such as anxiety or depression, while simultaneously shifting focus towards achievable objectives they wish to achieve in life. Deprogramming and reprogramming provides tools necessary to battle difficult emotions such as anxiety or depression. Depression while simultaneously shifting focus towards achievable objectives they wish to accomplish in life. Ultimately, this technique helps people gain control over their thoughts, attitudes, and behaviors, shaping a better version of themselves, moving forward into the future. So friends, in the concluding section of this video, I would like to reiterate the discussion we had. Achieving success is not a process that happens overnight. It requires dedication and hard work to unlock your potential and reach the goals you want in life. By understanding the science of creation, taking control of your personal reality, reprogramming your mind, and deprogramming and reprogramming to create a pathway to empowerment, you can start working towards unlocking the potential that lies within each of us. It is important to remember that when attempting to reach goals or unlock potential, it is essential to keep pushing forward, making small, incremental changes each day in order to make the necessary progress is key. Setting daily and weekly tasks to help make the most out of each day and carefully review the tasks you need to complete is an essential ingredient in the manifesting journey. Thanks for watching this video till the end. God bless you and your family.